Every single day in America, 6 to 8 million pounds of pork are processed, from live pig to breakfast sausage, in less than 24 hours.
All right, driver, keep it coming straight back. You're clear on the passenger side, nice and slow to the bumpers.
Keep the flow steady down there. Easy now.
One every 10 seconds, 350 per hour, 2,800 daily from this single facility.
Every carcass undergoes 100% examination. We log all findings immediately, according to federal protocols.
12 full-time federal veterinarians inspecting every single animal. 100% inspection rate. Any sign of disease,
The key is the angle of the blade, minimizing yield loss while ensuring all quality specifications are met.
watch the saw, keep the line moving.
We need more trim over here.
"15 pounds of spices blended into half a ton of meat, the formula that creates your favorite breakfast sausage. Every company guards their blend like gold."
From the same facility, same pork, 40 different products, breakfast links, Italian sausage, hot dogs, pepperoni.
"48 hours from live pig to grocery store shelf. Through 100 workers, 25 processing steps, and 500 miles of refrigerated transport.